Hello everyone, for today's video, we will be talking about how many channels does YouTube TV have. Before we begin, please do hit the like and subscribe button. So YouTube TV has over 100 and more channels for us to watch. YouTube TV base plan itself has 133 channels, including some of the fan favorites like ABC, CBS, CNN, Cartoon Network, CNBC, Fox and Fox News, Discovery Channel, Disney Channel, and many more. Apart from this, it also includes 48 add-on networks. This includes Fox Nation, Max, Docurama, Deco, Comedy Dynamics, Law and Crime, NBA League Pass, Showtime, ScreenPix, and more. It also includes Sports Plus add-ons like NFL Red Zone, Outside TV, Players TV, Poker Go, and Sports Grind. Of course, it also has some Spanish Plus add-on. You can also get the Spanish plan, which includes the following networks. YouTube TV pricing plan is also very reasonable for the benefit they offer. For a new user, we can try it for free. Pricing starts from $22 for the first 3 months, and you can cancel anytime. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.